I want to go across to Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the BJP, who now joins us. Sanju ji, welcome. What are your internal polls telling you from Jharkhand and from Maharashtra? Are you, chewing at your nails, or do you think this is going to be a Maha victory?
Rahul, if you know anything about me, I'm the last person to be twiddling my thumbs or chewing my nails. But be that as it may, I can just tell you that our internal surveys are saying we are romping home to victory, a thumping victory in both Maharashtra and Jharkhand. And, you can hold me accountable to it on the 23rd of November. Let's be very clear, this entire narrative of BJP is trying to polarize the Jharkhandis with that Hindu-Muslim narrative. I heard Rajdeep make a mention of it. I will just share some very interesting data with you, which I have obviously, fact-checked. This is undivided Bihar, because we all know Jharkhand became a state only recently in 2000. It's a 24-year-old or a 24-year young state. Undivided Bihar, 1951, tribal population 46.8%. Come 2011, that fell to 28.1%. In the meanwhile, look at the numbers. The Muslim population in undivided Bihar, including Jharkhand, was just 9.44% in 1951. That saw a dramatic rise to 22.73%. But the story does not stop here. For all those people saying, oh, BJP ke Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Hindu-Muslim karte hain. Ji nahi, Hindu-Muslim hum nahi kar rahe. These are the demographic shifts that have taken place in the last couple of years. The Santhalis, the most important tribal group in Jharkhand, their percentage in undivided Bihar, including Jharkhand, was 44.67%. Their population today is down to 25.12%. So let's face it, has there been a demographic jihad which has been unfavorable to the tribal population? Yes. Has there been a growth in the Muslim population but not entirely organic? Yes. Because when the Muslim population rises from 9.4 to 22.73%, it has happened due to massive inorganic growth, which is due to the influx of Rohingyas, Bangladeshi infiltrators, and I will not shy away from saying Ghuspetiyas.
So are you justifying, Sanju Verma, there was an advertisement, I just want to ask you, there was an advertisement on social media, which eventually the Election Commission asked you to take down, saying it was completely violative of the Code of Conduct, virtually suggesting that Muslims are taking over land, are taking over jobs of Jharkhandis. Are you suggesting on this program that that ad was justified?
I am simply saying this to you, Rajdeep. Today is not a day to discuss ads. Today is a day to discuss
it is your
numbers.
party's ad which was struck down. I am asking you, do you justify it or not? Are you telling me an ad which was brazenly unconstitutional is acceptable to you?
Can I finish? Rajdeep Sardesai, I always tell you, you are not the panelist, you are the anchor. Shant ho jao.
I'm asking you a question.
Shant ho jao. Don't get so rattled. Don't get so rattled. अभी तो आपके पेट में और दर्द होगा 23 नवंबर को. अभी तो शुरुआत हुई है. शांत हो जाइए. Now let me finish. Because, I'm not going to have you put a gun to my head. I will speak what I want to speak. The limiting point is this. I always say that what is wrong in batenge to katenge. अरे भाई Winston Churchill से लेकर Abraham Lincoln से लेकर Ambika Charan Mazumdar way back in the Lucknow session of Congress in 1916 सबने कहा united we stand, divided we fall. अभी उसी को हमने हिंदी का रूपांतरण करके कहा बटन तो कटेंगे, एक है तो सेफ है. Entire ecosystem के पेट में दर्द होने लगा. I will just end by saying one thing. Do you remember the date 15th November? For decades together, nobody remembered Bhagwan Birsa Munda. Modi ji ne bola, every year 15th November will be celebrated as the Gaurav Janjatiya Divas in the honor of Birsa Munda. Do you know that 3,956 villages are being nurtured by the Modi government via the Adarsh Adivasi Gram Yojana in Jharkhand? Do you know that 38 lakh families have benefited via PM Ujjwala Yojana in Jharkhand alone? Do you know that 8 lakh women benefited from the Matru Vandana Yojana for lactating mothers in Jharkhand alone? Do you know that 89 Ekalavya residential schools for the benefit of tribal young girls?
This is campaign material. We've been through it.